Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make remoulade. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making remoulade, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to have 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of minced celery, 2 tablespoons of dehydrated chives, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard, 1 tablespoon of chopped capers, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Tabasco, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's mix it up. Alright, pretty simple. You just take your mayonnaise, put that in there first. Then we just add the other ingredients. Celery, capers, ketchup, chives, parsley, garlic, Worcestershire, mustard, all the seasonings, and the Tabasco. This recipe is in the description box below or the first pinned comment. And those of you watching on TikTok and Reels, it is at www.itsonlyfood.biz. Mix it all up. That's what it looks like. We're going to do a photo shoot with a little music. Come back and taste it. Don't go away. Fish here, got the remoulade on it. Just spread it around a little bit and take a bite. Sticks to it very nice. Seems a little thin, but it's not. It spreads well. Go ahead and take a bite. Very good. Right off, I'm getting that savoriness from the Worcestershire and the tomato sauce, ketchup I mean. Man, that's good. A little bit of kick, a little bit of spice coming from that paprika and the hot sauce. Oh yeah, a lot of texture. Crunch of that celery in there, creaminess of the mayonnaise, but man, it's got a little bite to it, and it's got a lot of savoriness and creaminess to it. Very good for fish. Another shot of that fish. Don't forget, that recipe is down in the first pinned comment in the description box. Go ahead and try that out. Hope you enjoy it. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.